enforcement has issued another child abduction alert for the following counties/areas: Seminole County, Florida, and Volusia County, Florida, until further notice. Law enforcement has reported 3 more children have been abducted by the same suspect. Amber Gailey, age 13, Roy Dish, age 14, and Sarah Holly, age 15, have been abducted by a 6 feet tall man, wearing a black suit, has a white face, and wearing a dark tie. Citizens must remain indoors until further notice. If anyone is caught outside, you will be arrested. Stay tuned on your local news channel for more information. Stay tuned for more updates.